solve the absolute value of k is greater than the absolute value of 2k minus 3. Now to work out such a problem, what we are going to do is we are going to get one, just remove from the absolute bars, okay, and that is going to be greater than. So in other words, we're going to get one, we we put positive or negative on one, and then the other one we just remove it in the brackets like that. So this is going to be k greater than, and then we put positive or negative 2k minus 3. Actually, it's your choice. If you want, you can put a positive or negative here. That means this side you just remove that thing. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
All right. Now to make things much easier, the way I want you to see is okay, it's okay like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this, so that is going to be k is greater than positive 2k minus 3, or k is greater than negative 2k minus 3. Now I'm going to divide both sides by positive. You know, if you divide by positive, nothing really changes, so that will be k is greater than 2k minus 3. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides by this negative, and you know, immediately you divide by negative, the sign changes. Okay, and that you are going to have 2k minus 3. I'm going to take the 2k the other side, so that will be k minus 2k greater than negative 3. I'll also take the 2k the other side, that will be less than negative 3. Then k minus 2k, that's negative k, which is greater than negative 3. Negative k minus 2k, that will be negative 3k, less than negative 3. Divide both sides by this negative. When you divide by the negative, the sign is going to change. And then this is going to be positive 3. Okay? And then here also, when you divide by the negative 3, the sign is going to change. Then you are going to have what? You are going to have negative 3. So you can even see this on a number line. Got a negative 3.
Mm, just a question, just a minute.
Yes.
Isn't it not supposed to be 1 and not 3?
Oh yeah, you are right. This one you are dividing both sides by a negative 3, so it's supposed to be 1. Thank you. So this is going to be negative 1, and that's the one we're going to put here, and the positive 3. So I think for this one,
A question.
yes, yes.
Negative k is lesser than negative 3. What is the
This
k
one,
is greater
this
than?
one is actually positive. Which one?
Right. You wrote negative, so
Oh
I
yeah,
think you.
yeah. So both values are positives. You know, the negative and the negative divide. So these are some things which you don't want to do if you are that quick. Okay, for this one, we are saying x is less than, right? Is less than is less than 3, isn't it? So it's starting from here, going in this direction, less than 3. Then for this one, x is greater than 1, meaning that you are starting from here, going in this direction. So I've seen the way this question is. So now the question is, what will be the answer? Is it, because if you get the union of these two sets, you are going to get from negative infinity to positive infinity. That will be the union of these two sets. Now, is the answer going to be the union of these two sets or their intersection? Their intersection, that means the answer will just be from positive 1 up to positive 3, like that. So to determine what is going to be which, okay, we are going to go in the actual equation. Let's try to get a number above. I mean, let's start with below 1. We can get a 0, that's the simplest. Okay, what we want is to check which one is going to be the answer. So we're going to have absolute value of 0 is greater than absolute value of 2 times 0 minus 3. So it says 0 is greater than 2 times 0 is 0 minus 3, that's negative 3. Absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. Is 0 greater than 3?
Mm.
No. So that means this region is not correct. Let's try to get a value above 3, like a 4. So absolute value of 4 is greater than absolute value of 2 times 4 minus 3. So absolute value of 4 is a 4. 2 times 4, that is 8. 8 minus 3, that's a 5. Is this condition also true?
No.
No. We can try to check between 1 and 3. We can think of a 2. We're going to say we put here absolute value of 2 is greater than absolute value of 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3. So it will be 2 is greater than 2 times 2, that is a 4 minus 3, that is a 1. Is this true?
Yep, it's true.
So that means the solution set is from positive 1 to positive 3. We can also write it that x, or in this case we're talking about k. So k is a member of real numbers such that 1 is less than k, which is less than 3. So it's between 1 and 3.